So we're starting Vlogmas with the Christmas DIY. So basically this year's Christmas theme is going to be the Grinch. We're bringing it back because we haven't done it since 2019. But with a twist, we're going to do the Grinch with the buffalo, like the plaid buffalo thing, like the red and black. Because last year we did that theme. I loved how it looked in the house, especially because you have like old like brown furniture and everything like went together. But I also wanted to bring back like the Grinch. So we have mostly everything. We did buy a few pieces, so let me show you quickly before we start embroidering the first project, which is the pillows. So like I said, we already have a lot of the buffalo and Grinch stuff. They're in the boxes. We just need to bring them down and start, you know, decorating the house. It is November 28th right now, so I think in the next 2 days we're gonna start taking all of the fall Thanksgiving decor down and putting up all of the Christmas stuff. But yeah, so she bought this little wall decor. This is Joy. These buffalo Grinch, I don't know what they are. I know she wants them for the dining room though, so we'll see how she displays that. But yeah, and then like I said, we already have a lot of flowers and ornaments, but she just got a few more of like the green, like the bright green flowers, because we don't have these. But yeah, curtains and then the pillowcases. So these are the ones that I'm gonna embroider the Grinch on here. And so yeah, these are the pillowcases. It's like a velvet material. Super excited to embroider the Grinch on here. But yeah, basically this is gonna be our inspo. The buffalo and the Grinch. I think it's gonna be interesting. I am so excited to decorate the house with this theme. To be honest with you, this like Christmas theme combo has been hard to find inspo for, especially on Pinterest. Like I was shocked. So yeah, we're hoping that it works out and it looks nice. We kind of envisioned something in our heads when we were going over like things that we have and everything. I feel like it's gonna turn out nice, crossing fingers. But yeah, let's work on our first Christmas DIY. So yeah, like I said earlier, we bought these velvet green pillowcases, and so I'm just gonna embroider the Grinch with like the Merry Christmas font on there, but I'm also adding like the little plaid effect on the Merry part, so again it could go with our buffalo Grinch theme. So yeah, here's a little montage of the machine making this. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit. Enjoy the Christmas music. And ta-da! This is how it turned out. I'm obsessed. I love it. So yeah, the next day, the 29th of November, we started taking down all of the fall stuff, putting everything away, taking out all of the Christmas boxes, going through that. We slowly started decorating as well. Not everything, but you know, little pieces here and there, kind of deciding what to put out in the dining room and living room. But yeah, this is how the pillowcases look. Let me know what you guys think. I think they came out so freaking cute. I also started working that day on I guess like Christmas ornaments, I guess patches with like the Grinch and a version of like the female version of the Grinch, because I wanted to hang them and on the Christmas tree, as well as like create little tags to hang on the stockings. I'll show you later at the end of the video. But here's another montage of the machine making these. Enjoy, and I'll be back in a bit. So yeah, this is how they turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I just really simple patches to hang and decorate, but yeah, come back tomorrow as we continue decorating the house for Christmas. So yeah, bye, good night.